Action.
I don't know what you're doing when you're actually in there, but all I'm saying is that when I go in there to brush my teeth, my toothpaste is on the ground.
And I'm doing this? You think that I have something to do with it? Yes, because I put the toothpaste on the floor to protect from cavities and gingivitis.
I'm not accusing you of anything. All I'm saying is that at night, I put it up on the sink. And then when I wake up in the morning, it's on the ground.
Those seem like pretty harsh accusations to me, Jordan.
It's not that big of a deal, but maybe you could consider, I don't know, being a little more considerate of what the hell is that?
What the hell is what?
There's a hand in the fridge.
Yeah?
What does it want?
I saw an ad on the TV and I thought that we needed one. It's supposed to help you with all your refrigerator needs. Not that we have much.
There's a hand in our fridge.
It's supposed to help with nutrition. Just drink the orange juice.
I don't want to drink the orange juice.
Just drink the orange juice. What are you doing?
Nothing.
You're supposed to tip the hand.
I am not going to tip the hand in our refrigerator.
Just tip the hand.
Oh, ow.
Should have tipped the hand.
What's your problem?
I told you, you should have tipped the hand.
Oh, I'll tip the hand.
It's common courtesy to tip, Jordan. Because our economy is so bad, most middle-class workers rely on a 15 to 20% tip to survive. This hand could have a wife and kids. It's up to you to make sure that they live. It's not that hard. When someone helps you...
Help me, please.
When they give you their all to go the extra mile to make your life a little less stressful, a tip really is not that hard.
Okay. I'll tip the hand. I don't have any cash on me. Do you take debit? Okay! Ryan, the hand has a gun pointed at my face. I need to give it a tip.
The hand does not have a gun.
The hand in the fridge has a gun. I need some money for a tip.
We've talked about this. I'm not your personal bank. You have to start taking responsibility for your own finances.
Ryan, the hand is going to kill me if I don't give it a tip. Just give me some money.
I'm not buying this. You still owe me money from Burger King, McDonald's, Toys R Us, your toothpaste.
Ryan, I will pay you back for everything if you just give me some money for this tip.
Okay, give me a second. There's 1 carton of orange juice, and it's $2.78 divided by 12 servings. That's...
Hurry up, please.
Carry the 4, multiply by 3.
Ryan?
And if we're doing 20%...
Really?
Servings...
Ryan?
And plus interest and services... It's about 5 cents. Here you go.
What the heck?